Welcome, everybody, to Cyber Crime Junkies podcast, where true crime meets cybersecurity. Are you obsessed with true crime, white-collar crime, digital heists, and the dark world of hackers? Are you thinking of breaking into cybersecurity, want to learn from experienced practitioners and chart your path? Or do you lead a team, run a small, mid-sized organization, and simply want to stay up to date? Either way, you're in the right place. Every episode dives deep into shocking true crime stories, exclusive interviews with hackers and security experts, real-life ransomware attacks, phishing, insider threats, and more. Each time we provide actionable insights to protect yourself, your family, and your organization. Our mission is to raise awareness, educate, and expose what really happens behind the scenes of cyber, and break it down in simple terms we all understand and can act upon. So subscribe on YouTube, follow us over on Rumble, listen everywhere there's an audio podcast. We release new episodes weekly featuring cybersecurity legends, hackers, FBI, cyber agents, CISOs, and even victims who've lived to tell the tale. So subscribe and join us. Become part of the Cyber Crime Junkies community. This is Cyber Crime Junkies. And now the show. Catch us on YouTube, follow us on LinkedIn, and dive deeper at cybercrimejunkies.com. Don't just watch, be the type of person that fights back. This is Cyber Crime Junkies. And now the show.